Hello students, my name is Gagandeep Singh and today we will do question number 5 of exercise 13.3 class 10. In this question, a cylindrical container is given which is full of ice cream. Radius of container is 6 cm and height of container is 15 cm. This ice cream is to be filled in cone whose height is 12 cm and whose radius is 3 cm, and there is a hemispherical shape on the top. So he is asking how many cones can be filled with ice cream. So let us suppose n cones can be filled with ice cream. So it is a case of conversion of solid from one shape to another. So ice cream is to be filled into the cones, so both sides volume should be same. So let volume of ice cream in container is V1 and volume of ice cream in one cone is V2, and there are n cones, so total ice cream in n cones it will be V2 into n. So volume of ice cream in container, cylindrical container, will equal to volume of ice cream in all cones. So let us calculate volume of ice cream in cylinder. Formula is pi r square h. I write r1 and h1, and volume of ice cream in cylinder I represent with v1, and pi as it is. Radius of cylinder is 6 cm and height is 15 cm. So pi into square of 6 is 36 into 15 centimeter cube. Now let us find volume of ice cream in one cone. As we can see that this cone is a combination of two solids. Upper part is hemispherical and lower part is conical. So volume of ice cream in one cone is equal to volume of conical part plus volume of hemispherical part. So let us find values. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, r1 and r2 and h2, and volume of hemispherical part is 2 by 3 pi r cube, r2 is there. So we can see that 1 by 3 pi is common, so take out 1 by 3 pi common. R square is also common, so take out common. The remaining things are h2 plus 2 r2. So now keep values. 1 by 3 pi as it is. Radius of conical part is 3 cm, so square of 3. Inside the bracket h2 which is 12 and plus 2r2, 2 into 3. One by 3 into pi, square of 3 is 9 and 2 3 are 6, 6 plus 12 is 18. So 3 6 are 18 centimeter cube. So V2 is equal to 54 pi centimeter cube. So volume of ice cream in one cone is 54 pi centimeter cube. Volume of ice cream in cylinder is equal to n into volume of ice cream in one cone. So let us keep value. Volume of ice cream in cylinder we have calculated, it is pi into 6 into 15, and volume of ice cream in one cone we have calculated, it is 54 pi centimeter cube, and there are n cone we have supposed. So we have to find number of cones. So pi and pi are cancelled. This 54 will come in the denominator. 6 into 6 into 15 upon 54 is value of number of cones. Now cancelling. 6 9s are 54, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, and 3 2s are 6. So 2 5s are 10. So number of cones is 10. So there can be 10 cones which can be filled with ice cream.